Hi, today I am going to discuss about green computing. Green computing is also commonly referred to as green IT. The idea is to have least harmful impact on the environment. Apart from this, it aims to achieve environmental sustainability. In simple language, green computing is the scientific study of efficient and effective designing, manufacturing, using, disposing, and recycling of computers and computer related products like servers, network systems, communication systems, monitors, USBs, printers, etc. The study uses science to create technologies that would help preserve natural resources and reduce the harmful impact on the environment. The four paths to green computing or environmental sustainability are: green use, reducing energy consumption of computers and other related products as well as using them in an efficient manner; green disposal, refurbishing and reusing old computers as well as properly disposing and recycling unwanted computers and other equipment; green design, designing energy efficient and environmentally sound computers and accessories; green manufacturing, manufacturing computers and components with minimal effect on the environment. These four pathways focus on various activities like power management. This feature means conservation of power used by all electrical appliances. Many appliances now come with a power saving management feature as well. Devices with this feature automatically turn off the power or switch the appliance to a low power state when not being used. Energy efficient computing. Computers have a fan or heater like component inside them. The energy waste of computers is increasing by the day. Unfortunately, not many people are aware of this. Energy waste is leading to a climate change from burning coal and oil. Remediation of environmental pollutants. This deals with reducing and removing pollution or contaminants from groundwater, soil, surface water, or sediment. Server virtualization. This is popularly known as VPS and is commonly used to split the server. The idea is to use one server which connects to many individual computers. This development has lately been seen in software technology and other types of architecture. Virtualization. Efficient disposal or waste management. This is the collection, processing, recycling and disposal of waste materials. Regulatory compliance. A strategy must be designed by governments which would give rules for curbing waste management, reducing pollution, etc. and stringent penalties for non-compliance. Green metrics and methodology. It is important to quantify sustainability and environmental performance to help reach our goals. Renewable resources. Use of renewable resources of energy like solar power and wind to serve purposes like heating, cooking, etc. Eco-labeling of IT products. More companies should design their products so they receive the eco-label. Consumers must check for the eco-label before investing their resources in a particular IT product. The most common actions that organizations have undertaken are virtualization. Virtualization is the consolidation of servers and systems to reduce power consumption and energy utilization. It leads to usage of more than one system on a single piece of physical hardware. This allows for minimum power consumption and maximum cooling. Power saving. Industry standards like ACPI design and manufacture computer components in such a way that they result in power controlling and saving. Telecommuting. Employees working from home reduce the fuel emission that is created during commuting by vehicles. Moreover, there is reduction in overhead costs like light, electricity, etc. All this results in increased power and energy savings. VoIP. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol and results in less telephone wiring and lower cost. In conclusion, green computing is extremely popular. It is not only seen as an organizational responsibility but is also the responsibility that must be undertaken by all computer users. Home computer owners must also resort to green computing practices to make the environment more sustainable. Thank you.